If you care about protecting your health naturally and want to understand the real power of everyday foods, please watch this carefully. Today, we're talking about something extremely common, something found in almost every kitchen, something so ordinary that many people overlook its true value. Onions. Not just as a base for cooking, not just as a flavor enhancer, but as a vegetable rich in protective plant compounds that quietly support long-term health. Onions contain powerful antioxidants, especially a compound called quercetin. Quercetin is known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Oxidative stress is a natural process that occurs in the body over time. However, excessive oxidative stress is linked to aging and long-term health challenges. Antioxidants in onions help neutralize free radicals, supporting cellular protection at a deeper level. Another important component of onions is their sulfur-containing compounds. These natural compounds are responsible for the strong aroma of onions, but they are also linked to immune support and cardiovascular health. Some studies suggest that regular consumption of onions may help support healthy cholesterol levels. They may also assist in maintaining balanced blood pressure, especially when included as part of a balanced diet. Onions also contain prebiotic fiber. Prebiotics are types of fiber that feed beneficial gut bacteria. A balanced gut microbiome plays a role in digestion, immune function, and even mood regulation. By supporting gut bacteria, onions indirectly contribute to overall internal balance. Onions also contain vitamin C, which supports immune resilience, and small amounts of important minerals such as potassium. The preparation method matters. Raw onions preserve the highest levels of active compounds, but lightly cooked onions still maintain many protective properties. Chopping onions and allowing them to rest briefly before cooking may help preserve beneficial sulfur compounds. Onions are not a miracle cure. They do not replace medical treatment, but their strength lies in consistency. Used daily in soups, salads, stir-fries, and balanced meals, onions can become a quiet protective habit. Sometimes, the most powerful health support does not come from expensive supplements, but from simple foods that have been used for generations. If this explanation has helped you see onions differently, and you enjoy calm, science-based discussions about everyday nutrition, please consider subscribing to our channel. And if you found this video valuable, a simple like helps more people discover reliable and balanced health information. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.